Did you know that certain herbs can help combat depression? Depression, a common but serious mood disorder, can cause severe symptoms that affect how we feel, think, and handle daily activities. Interestingly, nature offers a bounty of herbs that may serve as a natural approach to managing this condition. Starting with St. John's wort, a well-known herb that may affect serotonin levels in the brain. This herb is renowned for its potential antidepressant properties. However, it's crucial to note that St. John's wort can interact with certain medications, hence the importance of consulting a healthcare professional before use. Next is saffron, a spice derived from the Crocus sativus flower. Saffron is believed to influence neurotransmitters such as serotonin. Next up is rhodiola, an adaptogenic herb that may help the body adapt to stress. Rhodiola's potential antidepressant and anxiolytic effects are intriguing, as they offer a natural approach to managing mental health. Now let's transition to ashwagandha. Rooted in Ayurvedic medicine, this adaptogenic herb is believed to positively impact stress and anxiety levels. Now let's talk about turmeric, a common kitchen spice with potential antidepressant properties. The active compound in turmeric, known as curcumin, has been studied for its potential mood-enhancing effects. Moving on, we have lavender, a beautiful herb often associated with relaxation. Beyond its calming scent, lavender has been studied for its potential mood-lifting properties. Now again is ginkgo biloba, known for its potential cognitive benefits and mood-enhancing effects. Ginkgo biloba herb is celebrated for its ability to improve blood flow, which may in turn have antidepressant effects. Its origins trace back to some of the oldest trees in existence, known as living fossils. Next, we have bacopa, also known as Brahmi. Used in traditional Ayurvedic medicine, bacopa is believed to possess adaptogenic and neuroprotective properties, potentially enhancing mood and mental agility. Then we have ginseng, an adaptogenic herb rooted in traditional Chinese medicine. Its potential antidepressant and anti-stress effects might be attributed to its impact on the central nervous system. And finally, we introduce holy basil, or tulsi. This sacred herb in Ayurveda is known for its adaptogenic properties, potentially aiding the body in coping with stress and fostering a sense of calm. These herbs, each with unique properties, may offer natural ways to manage depression and improve mood. Although nature provides a variety of herbs that may help combat depression, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any herbal regimen. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.